main focus of our research work is under the main umbrella of virtual and augmented reality technologies. We want to see how the research work that we are doing under these areas can be integrated into the industry. I'm Andreas, the research group leader of the Immersive Technologies for Intelligent and Creative Applications, or ITICA group. A group that started at the Cyens Center of Excellence as a group focusing and dedicated in making applied research in virtual and augmented reality technologies mostly. I think ITICA is one of the truly multidisciplinary groups of science. We have a great variety of researchers working in ITICA, from artists to engineers to architects and computer scientists. And we do that while we focus on two main paths. The first being, we try to blend elements from arts with science and technology. We managed to do that to create a cluster of digital creativity together with a museum lab and the makerspace. Now, the second path that we want to focus for the following years is to work on bi-communal projects as well. We have a few projects that are ongoing, and we feel that this is the starting point of something that will create another great achievement for the center.
My name is Kalli. I work at the ITICA team, where we develop interactive and immersive applications using virtual reality and augmented reality. My background is in software development in computing, and my role in the team is to develop virtual reality applications and also augmented reality applications that have to do with promoting art. One of the main projects I'm working on is Cyens. Members of the team went to the buffer zone and took pictures and videos, and we have developed a virtual reality application, an environment where people can see all the material that has been collected.
Hi, my name is Stefan Papadas. I'm media artist and research associate in ITICA. My work focuses on alternative forms of visual storytelling, researching and reconstructing the contemporary aspects of audiovisual expression. I combine video art, real-time generated graphics, projection mapping, painting, photography, VR and AR technologies in order to create hybrid and unique projects. In recent years, ITICA, recognizing the need of a better coexistence between different communities in Cyprus, decided to focus its attention to bi-communal projects. One of them is Cyens. In this project, I have created all the platform and designed the platform and the videos that consist this project.
My name is Alexia Hos. I'm part of the ITICA MRG lab. I'm an artist, but also as part of the team, I'm a PhD fellow on global power dynamics in artificial intelligence and its impact on Cypriot society. And I'm doing that from a feminist and decolonial perspective. It's been truly amazing being part of this team that's very diverse in expertise and academic background, because it's been proven very helpful to my studies in many ways. I've also been involved a little bit in one of the projects, the Cyens project. And I was involved in the initial phases of the planning and the design of the aesthetics of it.
My name is Tiliana Grigoriou, and I'm an architect engineer. I'm also a researcher. I'm doing my PhD currently at the University of Cyprus, and I've been working with the ITICA MRG, especially for the Cyens project for the last year. Cyens is a very interesting project that explores the potentials of virtual reality, especially in non-accessible places like the Nicosia buffer zone. Our main aim is to bring people together and let them socialize, play and interact with this virtual space in order to access areas that they haven't been able to access through the physical world.
I am Andreas and I'm a musician. I am a composer, and I'm also a performer and a researcher. And here at Cyens, I am a member of ITICA MRG, working on the Re-Inherit project, which is a Horizon 2020 project. The project is about creating a sustainable way to manage cultural heritage, building a network between institutions and stakeholders that work in cultural heritage sectors, and my part in this is creating 2 immersive performances which involve live musicians, sound installation, video arts, and theatrical lighting. We had to design a specialized smartphone application for the second one, which allows users to interact with the world of the performance.
I'm Alexus I'm currently working in Cyens in the ITICA team, and I'm a research associate. I've studied computer engineering and electrical engineering. Currently, one of the main projects I'm working on is the astrotourism project, which involves like 2 projects, an AR project and a VR project. The VR project simulates like a landing on Mars, where the user has to repair the rover, and through that, people will learn and understand how a mission like that works. And the AR project that we are also working is introducing people to our solar system, and they can scan various QR codes.
My name is Frangis, and I'm a research associate at the ITICA group. Some of the earlier works that we had was, for instance, a project that was a collaboration with the museum lab, and it was regarding the Lydra Palace Hotel. For people who don't know, Lydra Palace is a hotel that after 1974 has been abandoned and used by the UN. And we created an exhibition which was presented at the Levendio Museum. And there we created different experiences that could be used to promote all the different materials that were gathered. So we had a lot of videos and articles from newspapers, which was difficult to present in a different way. So we combined them. We used an interactive book to show all that information. And we also created a virtual reality experience that recreated the ballroom at the Lydra Palace Hotel, which is now no longer in the same state that it was. So there was a lot of work behind about the research to see exactly how the ballroom was, then recreated, and then we created a really unique experience related to events that happened at that location. One of the other projects that we have right now, it's called Dragon Game. Dragon Game is a collaboration or funded by the Deputy Ministry of Tourism, and the goal of the project is to promote tourism within the heartland of the island. So we have selected around 20 different villages from around the island, and the goal is to create unique stories around fountains that people can locate within these villages. So we created an AR application where you can go at the village, you scan a fountain, and based on that, there is a story that comes alive in front of you. Premiere is one of the largest projects that we have going on. It's a big collaboration with 12 different partners from around Europe. It's a big project, and again, the goals of the project correlate really well with the core principles behind ITICA. So the idea is how we can use extended reality technologies for performance. So the idea is to both get more audience to go and watch performances, but also how the extended reality technologies can be utilized by performance in an innovative way to make their jobs easier and create a more unique result compared to the more traditional methods.